Hey guys, and in today's video, let's take a quick look at Telesin quick release mount. So first of all, this quick release mount isn't only dedicated for GoPro, as you can also use it with other cameras such as DSLR, phone or other action cameras. And the beauty of this product is that it's super fast and easy to assemble and disassemble it. All you need is just one single press. So the way this accessory works is that you press it to lock it in place and then you push on these two buttons to unlock it. Now on the side of it, there is a lock-in mechanism to give you that extra security that this mount isn't going anywhere, so it can lock in place. Though it feels firmly secure there even without it. At the very top, there is a standard 1/4" connection, and if you wanna use it with a GoPro, you're gonna need a special adapter to make it work. Or you can use it with Telesin dual base mount so you can connect it directly to your camera. Okay, let's unclip it and take a look what's underneath of it. It also comes with a flat-headed key so you can tighten or loosen it up when you connect it to your camera. But you can also use a little buckle in there or a coin to do so. Now let's leave it for a moment and let's take a look at the base. So the base has 3 1/4" screw holes at the very bottom, and you can connect it to a gimbal, monopod, grip, tripod, selfie stick, you name it. But you can also attach it to a backpack strap with a dedicated accessory for it. On the side of it, it has these little grooves so you can connect it to tripod or ball heads that have Arca Design. Now, it doesn't matter which direction you place it, and it's gonna fit on each side, and since the base is square, you can put it on flat surface if you have to. So Telesin quick release mount weighs around 57 grams, and according to the information on Telesin official website, this thing maximum payload is around 10 kilograms, so if it's true, it's really impressive. So this is what Telesin quick release mount has to offer, and I think that to fully utilize this accessory, you're gonna need to have at least 2 bases and 1 quick release plate, simply because it's gonna be easy for you to swap your camera from one accessory to another. As I said before, it's not a typical GoPro accessory because you can use it with your other cameras, but I think it's something worth to look into. This quick release mount is simply all about speeding up your workflow because you don't have to waste your time unscrewing your camera every single time you want to change a mount. But I wouldn't use it in a high intensity activities simply because it's not designed for it. Alright guys, so for today's video I think that's it. So what do you think about Telesin quick release mount? Do you think it's worth it for you to have? Let me know about it in the comment section below, and for today guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it and you enjoyed it and you learned something from it. And if you did, then as always guys, all I can ask you is to give this video a thumb up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't before, smash the notification button so you don't miss no future content, and see you in the next one. Bye!